Louis V's on my waist, this a money race. I be at the top, chillin' up in outer space. Snatched a bitch, got her tied up like a lace, yeah. Gave her...
What's up everybody, this is J Dollar back again with another video. Now, I know my channel is basically almost strictly reviews, unboxings, and whatever. But today I decided that I will be sharing my own personal method of how to ship shoes through USPS. Because like a lot of people have been asking me on my DMs or like my Snapchat or whatever, like how do I personally ship my shoes for a good price? Alright, for me, as I live in Hawaii, I know firsthand that shipping to the mainland is a very big deal, because I know that USPS is kind of stingy on how like they price things. I don't know, I haven't really figured it out yet, but like it just depends on what kind of box you use. And this method, where I will be teaching you guys how to basically ship a shoe anywhere in the United States for a flat rate all the time for any shoe. Alright, so luckily today I do have a shoe that I recently sold that needs to be shipped out. So basically it's going to be like a live demonstration on how I do things with my boxes. So let's get on with the tutorial, guys. Now here's the box that you guys will need. It says Priority Mail Express on the outside, and on the inside it has Priority Mail Flat Rate Box. And I'll be linking it in the description. It is absolutely free on the USPS site, so you guys can go ahead and, I think it comes in a set of 10 or 25. I usually just get the 25 set, so like I'm set for like, I don't know, maybe like a couple months or something, I don't know. But it's absolutely free. You just send it to your PO box or your house address, and yeah, free boxes, man. You gotta get that free boxes. Alright, so make sure the blue side of the box, the Priority Mail Express side, is facing up towards you, and like so. And now next what you're gonna do is put the shoe box onto this little crease right here. This little crease right here. So you just line it up like this, and you fold it up. It should fit perfectly. And then again, you fold it again like this, so that the box creases again. Alright, so now that you have this first part of the box done, you can let it go. Now, you take a scissors, and then you make another crease on this other side of the box, like so. And then you fold it up like this, and make sure you can fold it up like that again. It has the adhesive strip right here. Alright, so now once you have all your creases done on your box, you can go ahead and fold it up. So what I like to do is put this one right here, this side down first, and you can peel off the adhesive strip. Like so. And you can just press down like this. And what I usually do is tape this side as well. Alright, so this is probably the other thing that you probably need to buy unless you have tape in your house as well. It's like some shipping tape. Unless you go to USPS, they do have the free tape as well. You can use that. So this is another necessity. Use tape. So what I've done is tape the first part of the top of the box like so. Now for the side of the box, you would have to take your scissors and cut the corners of the box like over here. Just make sure you don't cut the shoe box, and then you just snip over here as well in the corner. Make sure that you got the strips going. Okay. Now this one, you can fold it down. You can do it on the other side. And right here. there you just tape down these. And then once you finish snipping the side of the box, you can go ahead and fold it down and tape it along here. You know, just make sure that the tape is all secured for the box. You don't want anybody to like break in the box or anything. But you do the same thing on the other side. The other side of the box. So you'd cut here, you'd cut here, you'd cut here, and cut here, and then you fold it again like the other side. And basically you just tape it up after that. Alright, so this is the final product of your shipping box that you've created. Here's the top of the box and the side of the box. Make sure that you securely tape it down. You don't want any problems, you know, like people jacking your shoes or something. I don't know, like sometimes they do some wild stuff, man. It really amazes me. But the shipping cost for this box to send, I know, well, for us in Hawaii, it's probably, I think it's like $13. For my post office, it's 13 something, and mainland is, I think it's $8, I believe. But yeah, it's like, so you just basically you charge your customer or whoever you're charging for the shoe like $14 shipping. I don't know, to like, it comes up to like 13 and 67 cents. I don't know, something like that. But like I usually just charge them like $14 for shipping, and then it'll cover for it. And it comes with tracking and all that stuff. And I know before, if you tried to do this method with the older medium flat rate boxes, the post office wouldn't allow you to send it out because you altered the box or something. But this one, I am 100% for sure that it'll work, because it worked for me 100% all the time. So it's a flat rate all the time. Alright, that's it for the tutorial. I know there's a couple other YouTube videos out there that showed this method, but I just thought I'd share my own personal thoughts about this method, and it does work for me. It worked for me 100% of the times that I went in to send in shoes, and hopefully it'll work for you. You know, my post office master is really cool with me, so that's another factor maybe why, but I know that it should work for you guys. And it's just hassle free for me because it's like free boxes. Like I don't have to go scrambling around my house and like finding like some random boxes and getting charged like 20 bucks to ship to the mainland. But you know, I just thought I'd share with you guys. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you guys enjoyed this video. You know, let me know if it works in the comments below, and I'll see you guys next time.